Sheesh, look who's back, dude.
What's up, guys?
Alright. What do we got today?
Exhaust install finally.
Finally, huh? Dude, honestly, it sounds your stock exhaust isn't quiet, but it's not loud either.
It pops, you know what?
It pops?
Yeah, but like, you can barely hear it, bro.
It's gonna pop even more once you get this.
I don't know if it will. I like haven't heard any popping with it.
Alright.
Alright, guys, so the exhaust I got is from Yonaka Motorsports. I was gonna get the Remark one, but when I was about to buy it, that shit like raised up price and I didn't have much for it. And so I started switching again, and then I did the Yonaka one. But so this one has the 3 tips. The other one, the Remark one, only has 2.
Dude, look at those
The only thing that sucks is that this one has a resonator. The Remark one didn't.
Really?
Yeah, so this one has resonator and muffler.
Just
but
delete
it sounds
it.
pretty good though. I'm gonna delete. That was the whole point of buying the exhaust. Whatever. Dude, the things are pretty good though.
The welds? Yeah, I know. They look nice.
Not bad though. Should be good. I just don't know which, like they came with hardware and shit too.
Oh really?
Yeah.
All the gaskets?
Some of them were saying that the bolts are too small though. So I don't know.
Hopefully they fit. I mean.
Yeah.
Alright, so want to get straight to it? Alright, we started kind of late, but this video isn't gonna end like at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Hopefully not. If not, that'd be too long. And we also plan on like doing a like exhaust review and like how Angel likes it. So
Imagine I don't, bro. I'm just
dude, I mean hopefully you do. Alright.
Yeah, use the thing.
Who's this one?
And use the other one. These clips up here. One more clip right there, so that way we can have the skipping hang. So because there's a third bolt. No, I have the one that we were using last time.
Yeah, and there's one more clip right there, so that way we can have the skid plate hang. So that way, because there's a third bolt, so that way we can get that bolt right there. It's gonna be a lot easier if we remove the skid plate. Sheesh.
fuck that.
All right. So, so all we need
Oh, that shit's hot.
those hangers, and there's like 4 more in the rear.
Those are on there too. I kind of got them popped off.
Oh yes, I got this one. Oh shit!
What was that?
It fell over there.
The front side? Yeah. It's fine. Alright, should come down now.
Alright. Slide it. Oh my gosh, dude.
Dude, that shit's fucking
Dude.
huge, bro.
Whew. Honestly, the quickest we've ever done it. What do you think?
Yeah, the quickest.
Alright, so yeah, so
It's still kind of warm, huh?
exhaust.
This side's pretty cold now.
Alright. Start turning.
Right there,
right there.
Yeah, just put it right there.
Alright, Angel's gonna start it.
Actually, not because it's gonna get hot.
I mean, we're not touching it.
Yeah.
Just do it real quick. I mean, it's already warm and you can rev it now. Bro!
Oh, this thing.
Oh, dude, that sounds fucking nice. Just leave it like that. No way. Did it work?
Give me the gun, give me the gun.
Alright, so
No! This is
alright, so we're gonna be running no gasket. Only because the gasket doesn't fit. I mean, we tried. Angel, how do you feel about this?
I don't know, bro.
I mean, no gasket, but
Oh, cause those studs weren't long enough, dude.
yeah. They made just the endings too thick, like these parts. Like this shit.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Oh yeah, they did. Sheesh.
What if I do the half gasket again and I try with the old bolts?
You wanna try that?
Cause why did that one thread in, but the smaller ones didn't? You know. Want to try it?
Yeah.
Look. That should be.
How much space you have now because of those bolts?
Dude, like much lighter maybe?
Huh?
How much lighter maybe?
Yeah.
Push it this way? Like this way?
Okay.
What? What?
Yeah, I mean, we haven't done any exhaust install, man.
I mean, yours was straight pipe.
Yeah. And it's gonna continue to be. Yeah.
I thought you were scared of them now.
Bro, this food was attacking you, know? Yeah.
Right there. So you're saying these go over there?
Yeah, these ones go in the front.
Bro, that looks so fucking wrong, bro.
What? It's the only way it works, though.
Ooh, that
Fuck you. Do you?
The gasket, hand me a opinion?
I have it.
Ah, what the fuck?
What?
Alright, let me see.
Man, you're holding it like it was a baby, bro. Like, bro, get a good angle. Get over here. Give me it.
Push it in.
Ow.
Wait, tell me to push it.
Alright. So we got the back. Now we're going to the front. As you can see, Edgar struggling a bit. There goes Angel. Doing the same thing. We're playing footsies together and shit. Bro. Oh, never mind. They're going for the 6 to 9 position. I see a lot of movement, but not a lot going on.
Go! You see how fucking look at how stiff it is.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not saying. That's why I'm saying like it's not.
Alright, just gotta tighten these bolts down here.
This food goes over bumps, and this is all they're gonna see.
Where's the foot feet and shit?
Huh?
I just need to tighten the bolts connecting.
Want to start cleaning your exhaust?
Yeah, please.
Here.
What are you doing? Clean the tips.
He's cleaning everything.
Who's gonna see that?
Me.
That's crazy.
Here, let me see. Let me get the tips because someone touched them.
Goes over bumps, and this is all they're gonna see.
Where's the foot?
Who did?
Hey, yeah.
No, I did.
Me. Bro,
I mean, you guys are cleaning them.
You guys ready?
go.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is it on?
It sounds like mine. My old one. That sounds deeper.
sounds actually pretty good, dude. When you lift off.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it loud or no?
Nah, it's not that loud. It's actually.
Not loud at all.
Yeah.
I thought you didn't want it loud.
Not really, but kind of like.
Do another pull.
Did you spin up? You heard that, right?
I think it kind of spins out, yeah.
Bro, what? What?
I mean, dude, that thing's a light ass car.
Bro. What?
Well, I mean,
What do you think? What do you think, honestly?
Park as fuck, bro.
I'm just kidding, bro.
No,
I mean,
I'm
like,
saying
honestly-
it sounds louder than stock.
Yeah, that's for sure. But it's pretty quiet, bro. That's it.
I think it says it's a 4-banger, but yours was loud too, no?
Yeah, mine was deep, more deep throny.
Huh?
You have a 2.2, no?
You have a 2.2.
Yeah.
What's yours? 2.0? Oh, 1.8, huh?
1.5.
1.5? Oh. Damn.
Tiny.
Then yeah, I think you need downpipes. Yeah.
Maybe one day I'll run a
High flow
catless downpipe.
or
Yeah,
high flow
catalyst.
cat.
Or yeah, you can get a high flow cat.
I don't think
That-
you want to spend the money for that.
My high flow
cat.
my high flow cats are 3.
cheap,
Yeah,
they're cheap.
they're cheaper than.
Yeah, they're like 300.
Yeah, mine's 300.
No way.
Yeah,
they're
I
cheap.
thought they were hella expensive.
no,
Oh, they're cheap.
they're cheap.
All right, go high flow cat.
They're just
High flow. That's what I'm going with. High flow cats. But get the fellers.
Yeah. Wait, someone rev it for me? I want to hear it.
I don't think you want me to rev it.
Yeah, heck, you gonna rev it.
Go
No, I
crazy,
don't
just
want
like step.
All right, Bang is gonna rev it just so that.
Don't move it. Don't move the seat.
Oh no, put it on the stage.
It sounds
So that's where we're ending this video.